జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ కర్మయోగం 31st శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ నిష్కామ కర్మ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, whoever practices my teachings, which is in according to Veda, the most prominent scripture, they will be definitely liberated from the karma bandham." And also Arjuna, those whoever have full faith in my teachings, they will also be definitely liberated from the karma bandham. Not only that, Arjuna, those who does not find fault in my teaching, they also will be liberated from karma bandham. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma establishing how his teachings are authoritative. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts and trying to follow Krishna Paramatma's teachings, or trying to keep our faith in Krishna Paramatma's teachings, or at least trying to not find fault in Krishna Paramatma's teachings, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ye me matam idam nityam anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavantaha anasuyanto muchyante tepi karmabhihi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least by reading one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall work for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching how the yogi departs from the body and attains Paramapadam. Sukha Yogindra teaching entire of this process to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the yogi surpasses the objects of the senses, then he reaches the planet of egoism. From there he goes to Mahattattvam. Like this, O Parikshin Narendra, after surpassing the entire of this Prakriti Mandalam, the yogi tena atmana atmanam upahiti shantam anandam. Then he attains Paramatma, where there is only complete eternal bliss. Like that, whoever follows this Archiradi, the divine path, they reaches to Paramatma and never gets interest in this Prakriti Mandalam. O Maharaja, I gave answer to your question. I told about two paths. One is Archiradi, another one is Dhumadi. Ete Shruti te Vedagite. These two paths are given by Vedas. If you take Archiradi, you will go to Paramatma. If you follow Dhumadi, the other path, you will go to other Brahmalokas and other planets. There you will enjoy for a while and again will come back to these materialistic bodies. O Maharaja, at the time of death, Archiradi is the most essential and beneficial path to be contemplated by everyone in order to reach Paramatma. O Maharaja, Chaturmukha Brahma, sometime back, he worshipped Sri Krishna Paramatma. Evai Pura Brahmana Ahatushta Aradhito Bhagavan Vasudevaha. Chaturmukha Brahma worshipped, did tapasya for Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Sri Krishna Paramatma got very much pleased and very happy with Chaturmukha Brahma's Aradhana. Then Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma revealed about these two paths, Archiradi and Dhumadi, to Chaturmukha Brahma. O Maharaja, that is why Nahi ato anyaha sivah panthaha. There is no better and auspicious than having devotion upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. There is no other way to get moksham, and this is only the best way, being devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Also, O Maharaja, once Chaturmukha Brahma, what he did is, with all of his great attention and concentration, he studied Vedas, and finally he felt that he has to study one more time. Like that, he studied 3 times the entire Veda. Then, as an essence of all of his very attentive study, he decided that Ratihi Atmanayato Bhavet. The final decision that he made is attraction towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Sriman Narayana, is only the best way, only the way to get moksham, to get liberated from the karma bandham. He decided that way, the Chaturmukha Brahma. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra, what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Trishnato ye Madana Pavanodhuta Mohormimale Dharavarte Tanaya Sahaja Graha Sangha Kulecha Samsarakhye Mahati Jaladhau Majjatam Nastridhaman Padam Bhoje Varada Bhavato Bhakti Navam Prayacha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 31st sloka. Ye me matam idam nityam anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavanto nasuyanto muchyante tepi karmabhihi. Ye me matamidam nityam anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavanto nasuyanto muchyante tepi karmabhihi. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.